Hi, this is Joël Meyer. I'd like to show you how to make flowers from an egg carton. In this video, I show you how to make a flower using 2 cells from an egg carton. Separate the cells of an egg carton with large scissors, and then even the edges of 2 cells with small scissors. For each of the cells, cut petals that go from the edge of the cell to the bottom. Repeat all around the cell. Then, press on the petals to open the flower. Proceed in the same way for the second cell. This second cell will form the top of the flower, and to make it look prettier, cut off the top of the petals. Paint a first coat of white paint on both parts of the flower. The white will form a base coat that hides the gray of the cardboard. Then, paint both parts of the flower in a color of your choice. I decided to paint them blue. Let the paint dry. If necessary, add a second coat of paint. You can paint a contrasting color in the center of the smaller part. For a nicer finish, add a coat of acrylic varnish. Glue the small part of the flower on top of the large part with a glue gun. To add some texture in the center of the flower, you can glue beads or buttons, for example. Take a wooden dowel and paint it green. An easy way to paint a wooden dowel is to put some paint on a sheet of paper towel and to wipe the dowel with it. Let the paint dry. Take green construction paper and fold part of the sheet in half. Draw the shape of a leaf and cut through the 2 layers of construction paper. Glue the flower to the top of the stem. Then glue 1 or 2 leaves along the stem. There you go, your flower is ready. Make several of them to make a nice bouquet. To print the document with illustrated instructions, click on the link below the video and visit the AnimaPlates website where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects. Have fun and see you soon!